Variables. A variable is a named location which is used to store data in the memory. It is helpful to think of variables as a container that holds data which can be changed later through programming. Python is called dynamic typing language as variables can be defined at the runtime also. Variables can be declared at the time of assignment. Example: A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2.1, C is equal to n, D is equal to hello world. Here we have created 4 variables named A, B, C and D assigned with the values 10, 2.1, n, hello world respectively. You can think variable as a container to store things and those things can be replaced at any time. Example: A is equal to 10, A is equal to 20. Initially, the value of variable A was 10, later it's changed to 20.